if you upload videos on YouTube, but your videos don't get views, your videos don't go beyond a certain number of views. For example, your videos don't go beyond 100 views, your videos don't go beyond 500 views, your videos don't go beyond 1K views. It literally means that you started uploading videos on YouTube minus turning on some settings and minus turning off some settings. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you a number of settings that you have to turn on and off to help YouTube push your content, to make YouTube push your content and break that barrier of not getting views on YouTube. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be on my channel, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So subscribe right now and turn on notifications so that every time I upload you get notified. Let's grow together. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access your studio dashboard. Remember, all settings on YouTube begin from the YouTube Studio dashboard. I'm talking about the YouTube Studio dashboard. So you have to go to your Chrome or any browser and search for YouTube Studio dashboard, as you see this right here. And this website will pop up. So you literally click on the website. Now, after clicking on the website, this will come next. This will pop up, okay? Your videos, latest comments and stuff. Now, what you do next is to go directly to settings. The reason why I actually teach you guys on how to log into your YouTube Studio dashboard, I understand very well many people don't know how to log into their YouTube Studio dashboard. Now, once you click on settings, the first feature that you have to turn on to optimize your channel for views, it is right here at upload defaults. So you click on upload default right here. And then after that, you actually scroll a little bit down and you're going to see visibility. Now, whatever you're setting here, it is what is going to be default for your uploads. So you have to always make sure that when you're setting visibility for your new uploads, it is private. Now, one of the reasons to why you have to put your new uploads to private, it is about copyright. In case you upload a video and that video has a copyright that can actually lead your channel to be striked, when you put that video to private, YouTube will not strike your channel in case a video has an issue of strikes or an issue with copyrights. YouTube is going to notify you that your video has a copyright strike or your video has a copyright claim. And if your video is private, even if it has a copyright claim or a copyright strike, YouTube is not going to strike your channel. Instead, they are going to send you an email informing you. The second reason you have to put your videos to private first before publishing them to public is to give the algorithm time to analyze your video, to give the algorithm time to read the data about your video so that the algorithm organizes your video for the right audience that are interested in watching your videos. Now, if you just upload your videos directly to public without putting your videos to private or unlisted, it literally means that you're not giving the algorithm enough time to analyze your video, enough time to see the right audience to recommend your video once your video is set to public. Another feature is right here. Under upload defaults, you go to advanced settings. Okay. Now, under advanced settings, you scroll a little bit down. You're going to see this option category. Now, some of YouTubers, mostly the new YouTubers, we upload videos on YouTube without telling the YouTube algorithm under which kind of category does our videos fall into. And most of the times, the YouTube algorithm will fail to recommend our videos to the right audience just because we didn't tell it which kind of content we make, which kind of category our content fall into. So when you click on category right here, if you make videos about cars, luxury, you have to take autos and vehicles. If you do skits, comedy, and such kind of content, you have to choose comedy. And if you do education, like teaching kids and stuff, nursery rhymes and stuff, you have to take education right here. If you do music, take entertainment. There is film and animation. If you do animation, cartoons, African tales, you have to take film and animation. Now, if you're a musician, I mean official musicians like Chris Brown, Justin Bieber, Rihanna, that kind of music, you have to check music. But if you produce music for content like background music and stuff, you have to take entertainment. So by doing this, you're actually helping the YouTube algorithm to know which kind of category your videos default to. And by doing this, it is going to be very easy for the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to the right audience that actually watch that kind of category mostly. And when the YouTube algorithm actually recommend your videos to the people that actually watch that kind of category mostly, those people are going to watch your videos because they're interested in that kind of content. All right, let's go to the next setting right here. So the next feature, it is under advanced settings still. So we scroll a little bit down and you're going to see this feature. This is a new feature. It's called automatic dubbing. Now, this feature, it is very, very amazing when it comes to getting more audience, getting more views, earning more money on YouTube. This feature has helped me so much to get audience from different parts of the world. I've got viewers from India, I've got viewers from France, Spain, Portugal. Now, the best part about this feature is that when I make my videos in English, this feature will actually translate my voice to actually Spanish. And then if someone in Spain is watching my video, that person will not hear me talking in English. They'll hear me talking in Spanish, even if I made my video in English. This feature doesn't just stop there. It's going to also change the title of my video. Now, in case my video, it is titled How to Get 1,000 Subscribers in 1 Week, this feature is going to change that title into Spanish. And when someone doesn't know how to read English, they will be able to know the title of the video in their local language or in their language: Portuguese, Spanish, French, Indian language, and more other language. I get viewers from Indonesia, I get viewers from China. So always make sure that you actually turn this feature on. Now, this feature has two options. You can allow automatic dubbing and you can manually review dubs before publishing. Now, another feature, it is still under advanced setting, and this feature we are going to turn it off. So we scroll down a little bit and I show you the feature, which is show how many viewers like this video. Now, when you turn off this feature, as you see, it is turned off on my channel, okay? So when you turn off this feature, it literally means that your viewers are not going to see how many likes are on your video. Now, I realized that if you turn off the likes of your videos, people tend to like your videos more. But when people see the likes of your videos, they don't like your videos. I don't know why, but I've done an experiment and I realized that people actually like the videos that don't show likes than the videos that show likes. And in most cases, if your videos have fewer likes, people will not like your videos, okay? So if you know that you don't have more likes on your videos, turn off this feature, because when you turn off this feature, people are going to like your videos because they'll not know how many likes are on your videos. But when you leave them on, you're not going to get likes. And remember, when people likes your videos, it sends a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm. It tells the YouTube algorithm people like your videos, and by that the YouTube algorithm is going to keep on recommending your video. Now let me show you something. So this is a video of mine, and this video, it has over 354,000 views, but when you look at the likes of this video, the likes are turned off, okay? But when I go to my YouTube studio, I can see the number of likes I have on this video. So let's check out and see how many likes this video has. This video is titled How to Get More Views on YouTube. Okay, let's see it. So this is the video right here, how to get more views on YouTube. As you see, the video has this number of views, and then these are the likes this video had. As you see right here, this video has got 19,000 likes. Even if viewers are not seeing the number of likes this video has, they keep on liking it. Now, if you want to get more likes on your videos, don't show how many likes your videos have. So turn off this feature. Don't turn on, but turn it off. Now, another feature that you have to actually turn on, it is right here at channel. So you click on channel right here, and then you go to advanced settings and you scroll a little bit down. Now, there is, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Now, some creators actually upload videos on YouTube without setting this part. Now, if you don't set this part correctly, you're not going to get views on YouTube. For example, if you set your videos as made for kids, your channel cannot live stream and your channel cannot actually do a lot of stuff. Tell the YouTube algorithm that no, set this channel as not made for kids. But if you don't set this, you're going to suffer with views. You're not going to get views. And at the end of the day, you'll think that your videos are not good. Your videos have the problem, but the problem is not with your videos. The problem is with your setting. All right, let's scroll down for more features. Another amazing feature is right here. Automatic product tagging. Now, this is actually for channels that are monetized. But even if you're not monetized, you need to know this. Once you get monetized, you should not do this mistake. Now, if you mention any product in your video and you forget to tag that product, YouTube is going to help you to tag that product. And when YouTube tags that product in your video, and then your viewers purchase that product or anyone purchase that product from your channel, you're going to earn more money. Okay, let's go to another feature. So on the same page, we scroll down a little bit and you're going to see allow viewers to clip my content. So you have to turn off this feature. Now, when you upload your content and then viewers clip your content, some people actually, after clipping your content, they'll claim that that video, that content is theirs, not yours, you the original creator. Now, if they claim, your channel is going to be at risk. You may even end up getting strikes. So instead of going into such kind of risks, always turn off this feature. Okay, let's go to another setting. So on the same page, we still scroll down. Okay, so this is another amazing feature that you have to always turn on. Third-party training. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. Now, when you turn on this feature, it literally means that you're giving YouTube rights to allow AI companies to train their models using your videos. First of all, this feature is going to help AIs promote your content. Now, for example, let's say you're using ChatGPT and then you search about how to get more views on YouTube. ChatGPT is going to give you its alternatives. It's going to give you the ideas on how to get more views on YouTube. And after that, it's going to pin some videos from YouTube that teach about how to get more views on YouTube. And if you turn this feature on, your video is going to have more chances to pop up to the user that is asking ChatGPT how to get more views on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if you don't know how to upload your videos the right way. In this video, I teach about how to upload videos on YouTube the right way, how to optimize everything about uploading your videos the right way to help your video get views on YouTube. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.